Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
There is a legal way to restart mining, and once the Congress government is formed, mining will be restarted in a legal way. There is scope for making a law. The Congress party will make a law conferring tenancy rights and protecting the tenant in respect of the land that is in his possession and is now cultivating. Young people from Goa are leaving Goa. They are going outside Goa, going abroad because there are no jobs here. We will create jobs. Congress party knows how to create jobs. When we were in power in Delhi, we created jobs. Somebody mentioned that. We will create jobs. There are huge opportunity to create jobs.